Hello guys and welcome to this week's edition of our market breakdowns. If you're new to my channel, please like, comment and subscribe. So yeah, let's not waste any time. We're going to start on NZDUSD with a quick update. So I remember 2 weeks back I gave you guys a buy signal and this was our take profit. So the market recently hit our take profit. After hitting that take profit, it closed with a bearish rejection, and then the following day we got a strong bearish candlestick with strong bearish momentum, confirming that bears might be coming in. Also, we will have to compare the size of this bearish candlestick with the ones on the left. So obviously these bears have engulfed these buys. So now how do we approach this, or how do we enter into this market on a lower time frame? Right here it's more clear. We recently hit this daily resistance, came down with a strong bearish momentum, breaking previous low. Now the market just went up to retest that level, although it didn't really hit that level. Then we got this. So this is what I see on NZDUSD. So yeah, we can enter here. We can enter here, stop loss above structure, and then take profit at our nearest zone, right? Another thing that could happen, the market can push to at least hit our discounted level over here. So there's a possibility that if the market does hit our stop loss, it will approach this level. Wait for sell confirmation on this level, and then if you do get sell confirmation, expect the same outcome. So this will be the support over here will be your first take profit, and then the one below will be your second take profit. Stop loss above structure, and then next take profit be here. It's a good ROI. Risk to reward. Let's move on to other pairs. So now we are on NZDCAD, right? We recently dropped from this weekly resistance with an impulse movement. The market went to correct and then formed a lower high and a lower low. Now we recently broke through these minor levels with a strong bearish push, and I feel like we should expect a retest or wait for the retest on either 1 or 2 before we sell. And if we do get sell confirmation on either one of these levels, yeah, you're going to sell if you do get sell confirmation on either one of these levels. But then the one that you should look out for the most is the one above this one, because it's a discounted level. So now if you do get sell confirmation at this level, take your sell, stop loss above structure, and then yeah, if you are late, or if the market does not go all the way to these resistances over here, wait for a breakout from this lower low, minor support, and wait for the market to retest it as resistance. This one is the much safer option. If you do get that confirmation, also trade accordingly. So where are we going to take profit? We're going to take profit at this region over here. Wait for confirmation on these levels over here. Overall, I'm bearish. So now let's move on to GBPCHF. So we were in an uptrend. The market reached this level, and then after reaching this level, we broke out. We came down with a strong impulsive push, breaking previous low, right? And we got a retest to this level, and then bearish confirmation, and then we went down, right, and also broken through this minor support. Now the market has printed bullish momentum to retest this level over here. So we should wait for sell confirmation or sell sentiment rather on the zone, and also a breakout below this as confirmation to enter. And if we do get that confirmation, here's our take profit. But then what are we seeing on a lower time frame? So what we're seeing on a lower time frame is that there's a trend line over here. The market could go to the upside and at least retest it to get sell stops from a discounted level. And then if we do, we're going to drop. So yeah, either wait for the market to give you sell confirmation at 1.26795, or wait for a breakout below this level on a lower time frame as confirmation. I hope you watched the entry video, the video that I recorded last week. It will give you a clear indication or a clear picture as to what we look for when we place entries. So yeah, let's move on to our last pair for this week. So this was actually supposed to be recorded last night, but then I couldn't. But then yeah, okay, we'll start on the lower time frame and then go to the higher time frame. We are in between these two key levels over here, right? And then the market went down with a strong impulsive movement, breaking this low, creating a new lower high and a lower low. So now the market is failing to break through this support over here. So what I was expecting at the time before the market opened, the market was approaching this level. So I was saying that we should expect a retest on this level and sell confirmation, right? Wait for the market to reach this level. After it reaches this level, it will tell us whether or not it wants to go to the upside or to the downside. But then because we're in a consolidation phase, we assume that we have equal amounts of buyers and sellers in the market. So you only trade, or high probability setups are only found on key levels. So all in all, wait for the market to reach your support before making a decision. So now let's go to a higher time frame. So we're on Nasdaq on a 4-hour. We got a push to the upside, a correction, a push, and now we're in a consolidation. So consolidations don't necessarily mean that we are correcting, right? It could act as a correction, meaning that after we hit our support over here, we could get a bullish push to the upside and then continue to create new high highs and new high lows. Or it could also represent distribution, meaning that after we get to this level, we could get a breakout and a retest. And retest this previous support over here. So right now, it's just a matter of us waiting to see what the market does when it reaches this key level, right? Remember, when we're analyzing, we're just speculating. At the end of the day, the market has to give us the necessary confirmation before we make any move. We do not assume. Even now, we can't assume that the market will reach the support, definitely, right? We need to wait for the market to give us the necessary push in as far as candlesticks are involved to prove that it's going to move to the downside. But yeah, that's what I see on Nasdaq. Scenario 1 or scenario 2. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, if you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you.